ВАЛЕНТИНА СКУЛЬТЭ Английский для детей. Часть 2. Урок 9.
The 9th lesson. The 13th of September. Friday, 1963. Jimmy the Carrot. Jimmy's childhood. 1961. Jimmy is a little boy. He is 5 years old. His mother calls him the Carrot. Jimmy has red hair, red lips, red ears, red hands, and a red face. Jimmy's eyes are as blue as the sky. Jimmy's nose is as small as a button. His mother thinks him very clever. His father thinks him rather clever. Jimmy's sister Polly thinks him stupid. Mother often says to the Carrot, "My dear little boy, show me your nose." And Jimmy touches his nose with his little finger. Mother says, "My little Carrot, darling, give me your right hand." And the boy gives her his right hand. Mother is very pleased. She gives him some sweets. Then Polly says, "Dear little brother, give me some sweets." But the Carrot says, "I won't," and puts the sweets in his pocket. Polly is not pleased. She thinks that her little brother is not very clever and is greedy as well. Sometimes Polly asks him some simple questions, but he does not answer them. Maybe he cannot answer them. Maybe he doesn't want to answer them because Jim is very, very lazy. Polly thinks that the little orphan, Lily, who is only 2 years old, is cleverer than Jim. Lily is quite a baby, but she can point to her eyes, her nose, her right hand, and her left hand. Lily is the youngest child of Mr. Christine, the doctor, who lives not far from the Dales. Lily's brother Sam is 6 years older than she, and he looks after her when Father and Aunt Jane are not at home.